Hello YouTube. So I went blonde a few days ago, but I'm kind of bored with it already. I like a little bit more contrast or stuff a little bit different. So today I'm going to just use this Kera Color cleansing conditioner. It's a depositing product, so the more you use it, the deeper pink it goes. This is my first application, and I'm just going to take it and put it on dry hair because I feel like it'll grab a little bit more with it being on dry hair because the hair's a little bit more porous. Should I try more videos like this with doing different colors? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun dun dun. Actually, like this, I'll go. Where's the camera? There it is. I think I'm in love with it. This might have to be my new winter color for at least a few months till I get bored. It just happens often, but yep, it's a fab. I like. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.